Okay. Ba 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 b d d do 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 do. Do 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 do. Platz. Platz. Bruce. Platz. Da runter. Platz. Platz. Fine. 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 Bist ein guter Hund. Ein gutes Hündchen. Ein gutes Hündchen. Ein guter Hund. Ein guter Hund. For everybody who doesn't know what the fuck I'm talking about, I'm having a dog over. And that dog is currently lying next to me, which is a little bit of a task because last time I tried. No! Stop standing up! Bleib, das macht Platz. But he doesn't give a lot of shit, which I can understand. Open recent Morphix to Blender. So, wie war das? Das Ding anklicken. Yo, that's the thing. But why doesn't it do the fuck thing that I want it to do? Anim player. Ew. Frame. You know what? Wait. What was it? It rotates here around its own y-axis, right? What is frame 10. This Python script in this file was disabled. Pub frame 10. I have to rewatch this fucking short again. Come on, man. Also, hello, lads and ladies. My name is Jay, but I'm a god of Barista, and welcome to my new stream video. Whenever you are watching this, you just really need to look at. There it is.
Drivers tell Blender to affect one object based on a axis value. Click on it and type #frame.
Okay. Hashtag.
Subdrupo.
Hello! Wait, who the fuck talked about? Hello, yellow kid. How are you doing? So he said hash. I fucking hate you. So here hashtag frame.
Press spacebar to play the animation, and we see the object is
Okay.
Here has a gift for you.
Wait, what? A gift for me. What gift? The fact that this still doesn't fucking show what I'm actually want is so incredibly disappointing. Do a Mega Mint. Oh, I mean, it says next death. We won't die in this stream. I think I quite established it. But you want me to solve a dodecahedron, so I'm going to solve a dodecahedron.
Wait, why can't I do a puzzle now?
Huh? You can. You just did. I mean, I would have done that anyways, because you spent 2,000 points on making me do this in a stream that has little to absolutely nothing to do with, with anything dying related. Also, I try to. Is there really no better way for me to do this? Fuck it. I wanna show you the doggo first. There he lies. There he is. Bruce! Yo, look at him! Yeah, Bruce. Alles good? Yeah. Oh, maybe he doesn't. I don't think he does in this in this situation, but Bruce? Forte? Forte? Yeah, show me and like indeed I put it in this position. Are you fucking kidding me? Yeah, okay. But I could do it. I could show you the dog. But yeah, that wasn't the thing where. Wait! The hell? I put the thing to fixate the. Okay, yeah, now things work out again. Now I'm gonna put you in your place. Quite literally. Come on, camera, do your fucking job. Good. Okay, I'm going to scramble the Mega Minx first. I think I should really get rid of that animation down here. Should I delete all the keyframes and then just put in do the thing that he said in the video? But all I'm trying to do is I'm trying to get this thing to stay when I'm rendering it, you know? Like the crown is supposed to turn all the fucking time. Yeah, I'm listening to a lot of reggaeton. That reminds me.
Perpetually rotating around the z-axis, but it's rotating super fast. This driver has told Blender to use the frame number to affect the object's location along the z-axis. Now, I would have assumed that 1 frame would equal 1 degree. But
Okay, yeah, obviously, it doesn't do it because the fucking script doesn't work. Okay, yeah, before I'm gonna turn on some music, okay? Some chill background music. Or do you want some pop rock or something? Is there a genre you have in mind? Maybe I listen to it once in a while, and if I do, I'm gonna show one of my favorite songs of it. Do you have any favorite genres, Yellow Kid? And also, how was your day? I hope your day was fine. Yeah, good. I think I scrambled it enough. This was my yeah, this was the thing that I want to open. There it is. There is the thing. Me. I'm doing so much bullshit sometimes. That's also my only light blue hemp. I'm never
Favorite song genre, any Beat Saber song.
any beat. Okay, if you say Beat Saber, then there's only one song that I can go with. Because I love that song.
And reveal.
You see my hand. Yeah. There it is.
I'm a living legend. You ain't heard yet, you not get the message. From the moment that I'm stepping in, I get a couple weapons. Yeah, I turn to a beast when I'm rapping. I'm a living legend. You ain't heard
Nocturnes! I didn't even see. Yeah, but yeah, not. Here we go. I'm doing. Go to Cadron. By the way, a thing that you didn't know, that you don't know. And that is important. I'm gonna turn that off for a second.
Oh, legend.
Yeah, legend. In the background, you see that long black thing. That's a knife. That's a knife. Why I'm mentioning this, I love collecting knives. I got that one once as a gift.
I've listened to that so much.
And here it is.
Yep.
It's really small, actually. Like it's not even one of my biggest ones. It's almost as big as that one. Like the trainer, the plastic knife,
Cool
40 knife plated.
That's right.
Although the only reason why it's sharp at the moment is because I used. Where's that shitty thing? There it is. I used this shitty bastard thing to sharpen it. That is not used actually meant for sharpening. But it was so dully sharpened, like really, really dull, that I barely could use it for anything. And now that I basically spent the last 2 days when I'm not doing anything trying to sharpen this thing, you can see that on these edges. I don't know. Up here it's a little bit darker. That's where it's not, where I didn't get to it yet. Where I didn't sharpen enough. Because I literally have to sharpen the shit off. I could technically use it with something more professional, but I don't have anything more professional. And that way it also just turns into a smooth blade. It just takes ages. And then I can actually, like, use that thing for something. You know? Like, what type of letter is that? Nothing interesting. So, basically, if I can actually do stuff with that way. I mean, it's not the best cut because, again, for an actual legit legit sharpening, I need to do something proper. But it's better than before, okay? You get it. You get my point. I think you get my point. I think you do. I'm gonna show you this song because this is one of my favorites. And now I'm going to start doing this thing. Yeah. I'm doing it a little bit further away because if I'm getting too... No, it gets too glowy and shiny. But here it's actually kind of normal. So you can actually kind of see what's going on. That's, by the way, Kira, who uses Gumi's voice to make the song Burn Me Down. That's the name of the song, Burn Me Down. I'm still so focused on looking to the camera, but I'm not even using my normal face, my normal avatar. Let's be on and let me up. light me up and burn me down, 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 down. In the dark. I did something. Where? Yeah.
How do you hurt your finger?
Explanation. When I'm using this, I have to do this a very often and a very, very long time. So at some point I look for ways to make it less exhausting. So it ends up with things like this way and whatever. And at one of these positions, my finger, my middle finger from my disabled hand, when I'm holding this, like when I'm holding this for this, it happens that it sticks out here. So I basically cut into my own finger when the what's it called? When the friction was gone. So when the friction here is gone, the knife immediately shoots forward. And because my hand is disabled, I just cut myself in it. I didn't expect it to be sharp enough to bleed, because that's the only moment when I actually need a band-aid. Of course. Why would you do it in any other way? But yeah. I need the green. Where's the fucking green? Why did I lose you? Tuck. That isn't good. Why do I not put the green where the green is supposed to be? Is here. There you are. Take me up, make me fall and show me what must be on and light me up and burn me down, 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 down. Keep it secret in the dark, they won't see it, light me up. Yeah, I came on with the rules, explain and light me up. Why am I doing this? Not even questioning why I'm doing this at the moment. I'm just doing so many mistakes that I don't even know why. Whoop. Cool. You're almost right, but you're supposed to be here. I just need to find your counterpart. There's your counterpart. Good. So, if you don't know what I'm trying to do here, I'm trying to solve them with as little searching around as possible. So I'm searching before I have to search. Which means I first look for this thing, for the corner part, which is yellow and blue. And then I'm using, obviously white, because we're trying to finish the white side. And then I'm looking for the corner part that comes next, which is this part here. And then I'm putting it in a way that they connect as soon as I make this turn. And when I make... This also is the same thing that you do with Rubik's Cubes. You could do the same thing with Rubik's Cubes too. Like, everything except for the last part. Everything except for the absolutely last side is the same as in a Rubik's Cube. Which is why I'm mentioning this. Like, here. And now, because this is already in position, this is above that one, this is here. Tuck, tuck, tuck. It's in. It's in. That's how it works. Now here, we have this one. We have violet and green. And this is already in the right position. But it's not in the right place. So now when I'm doing this here, it fits in place, and all the corners are also already filled. Like, you save yourself a little time by taking doing some in-between steps. The only thing that I'm not doing this is these corner parts, because I'm a little bit too lazy for that. But also because I don't know the cube well enough, if that makes any sense. I think that one. I think you belong over here, do you? Do you? Mm-hmm. No, you don't belong here. You belong here later. So now we're looking for this one. This is yellow, blue, and lime. Yellow, blue, and lime. Yellow, blue, and lime. There's yellow, blue, and lime. Great, yellow, blue, and lime. Now we're looking for this one. We need yellow, violet, and orange. We have here yellow. We have orange and violet, but here we have yeah, perfect. Yellow, violet, and orange. And here it is. Here. Now you're in place. You're in place. You're in place. You're in place. Good. Now I can actually start solving this thing. Good. And hey. Here it's a little bit more complicated because you have to move that one upwards away from these already solved parts. And then you have to, you know, put them in with some extra movement. I think I didn't. I did. Okay, yeah, I'm just dumb as hell, but who the fuck didn't know that? I put you in place. You're here. Best way. Wait, nah. You're not even supposed to be there, so it doesn't fucking matter. Where you are. Where you are. Oh. Lime and blue. Okay. You are supposed where you are, but you're not where you're supposed to. How you are supposed to be. Yes. Do you know these moments when sometimes apparently the language module in your brain just suddenly shuts off and you're like, yeah, I know words. I know the best words, all the words. I swear. Damn, I had you. Where the fuck are you? You're here. Okay. You're here, but which means I'm gonna look for green and baby blue. Green, baby blue. There it is. There it is. Okay, perfect. Now we're gonna put him here and here. Perfect. So now that we have you, we can put you in here. It's still so incredibly bright. Ah, okay. Yeah, okay, now it makes sense. Almost direct light, indirect light. Less direct light. Ah, but now it shines directly in my eyes. What the hell? Yeah, now it moves the monitor. There's no good. There's nothing good here, is there? Okay, now I'm going to move you up here. Like this. Yeah, that makes for some reason a lot of sense. It just really fucks my eyes over. Does that make sense? How much can... Yeah, you can see a lot. Good, that doesn't. You're still in the wrong fucking direction. Anymore, though. Okay, I'm always fucking you over a little bit, but I don't really know why. I shouldn't. Now I need red and pink. There you are. Okay, let me look for this one first. Ah. Perfect. Like it was waiting for us. Ah, I put the wrong green in here. Oh no, I did put the wrong green in here. It was already in here. I already blame myself for every mistake. Doesn't that sound very, very familiar? What am I doing? There it is. There's the ping that we needed. Alright. And it's in. Now it's in. Okay. I missed you. I need lime and yellow. 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 Da, brain. There you are. Lemon yellow, lemon yellow, lemon yellow, lemon yellow. Come on. And why are you moving? I never asked you to move. Here, good. So you are supposed to be here. That's why you are going to be here. Here it is. I'm turning this into a little show because I think it's kind of funny. And also because why not? I'm supposed to be an entertainer today, so I'm going to entertain you. I mean, I'm a god, of course I'm supposed to entertain you. And suck, 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 suck. In it. It's in. Now, where are you? Are you here? Good. Just not in the order I need you. Now I have you in the order that I need you. I'm still not sure if I actually can see everything or if I'm... This bastard is not supposed to be here. Oh, did I really just fuck over my own... It's the light. I swear it's the light. It's definitely not something else. I swear it's the light. I swear I can do these things. I'm not acting dumb because I want to.
I also kinda like the song Spin Eternally, though it might be just a little too energetic.
Energetic songs. Wanna know is... Wait. Where... what did you say? Spin Eternally. Spin Eternally. Spin Eternally. By Beat Saber. Camellia.
It gave me PTSD.
So, back here. There you are, you're back. Oh, this sounds good so far. What the hell? Okay, good. Here you have to show that you have this arrow shape before you do anything else. And then you just have to do the same thing one more time. I have to sort you. Oh, sorting here! Sorting! These fucking things here is so weird! I have no idea how to explain this. Okay, but we have already the middle part all in order, which is very good.
As my jukebox now since my MP3 player broke yesterday.
I'm your jukebox now. Well, at least I hope I'm a sympathetic jukebox. Where'd you get over there? I think everything is now sorted. Because here you have to sort first, and then you have to solve these things. Which is the exact opposite way of how I learned it with the Rubik's Cube. Annoying, I know. But hey, only 2 things to fix. Yeah, that one's fixed now. Did it. Metal. Metal. Why metal?
Dang, this feels weird.
What do you mean? Human bone rotation to vertebrate.
It's hard to get used to the songs I just play on my own in the background of one of my 2 streamers.
Your 2 streamers. Who's the other one that you're cheating on me with? Wanna listen to a really, really fun metal song, which is really, really special? You're gonna find out why, if you're interested, of course. Export via VRM. So I'm trying to export to do this thing now. The comments are full with if Speecher doesn't add a 360 mode for this song, we can actually spin. I will be mad. Are you interested?
Her name is Viradel and she streams about 5 days a week. I think she actually starts streaming in about 4 hours.
Damn. Say hi from me. Even though I hardly think that she's gonna acknowledge it, but yay! Say hi from me. God damn it. Anyways, interested in that, in a very special metal song, which really sounds really fun, for the reason that it's very weird, or very unusual, the least, at least. You know what? Let's just see if that works now. It would be funny. Because all I basically did was allow Python scripts on it to work. Okay, no, the crown doesn't turn, so that's a thing that already doesn't add up. New area. So it has to be a Python script, has it? Oh, I don't want... Geometry nodes, scripting. I don't want to script that shit. Okay, we're gonna go to layout first, okay? You know what? I don't care. I'm just gonna play the song. By the way, the song came out a year ago, and it's made by a band called Bloody Wood. If you don't know Bloody Wood, that's sad. But Bloody Wood are cool, and Bloody Wood is an Indian metal band. I'm not sure if you're going to be able to well, hear that. It would be a little weird if you can't hear that. Can't compete with the powerful. Back from past, going fast. Can't last. Wait. Ha! Okay. So let's just get rid of that. Good. No, this is not even what I wanted! Hey, Kiwi and Apple, how are you doing? I really want to show Bloody Wood. It's nice. Break the bone. Frame. Delay. Good. Wait. Yay! I can't skip one of the most epic parts of a song, come on. How are you two doing, by the way? If you're wondering, by the way, the song is literally just about...
Object based on it. Would have assumed that one frame would equal 1 degree, but it doesn't. I'm not sure. Long or fast. This driver has told object is per axis. Select the object, open the sidebar, and click the item tab. Here we see all our location, rotation, and scale values.
Yeah.
Rotation settings, and specifically the z-axis value. Click on it and type #frame. The Z rotation value has turned purple, indicating a driver has been added to it. Press spacebar to play the animation, and we see the object is perpetually rotating around the Z axis. But it's rotating super fast. This
So why don't you do the same thing for me? Like, I'm looking at this tutorial, and the tutorial says that all I have to do is type in frame and it works, but it doesn't. The fuck? Yo, do you want to work now or do you not want to work now? What the fuck is wrong with that thing sometimes? I love open source programs, but they have a weird habit of sometimes just randomly breaking for no reason. Python console, IMD, built-in, da da da. Huh? I just wanna move the camera, for fuck's sake. How did I even end up here? Are you fucking shitting me? I can rotate the camera. I can't move the camera for some reason. I can only have this shitty ass cursor here do something, but not the thing that I want to. Not what I wanted. Good. Why was that so hard all of a sudden? I swear to you, I tried that out like 5 times. Okay. Python command in Blender. Good. And then add the data. Wait, Python script rotation Blender. Transformation. Python auto rotate an object. I want to rotate an object in Blender, for which I'm using following operations. Instead recommend the code didn't question. I was setting the Euler rotation. Will always be X, Y, Z. Instead, recommend make transform rotation matrix Python console example X, Y, Z are 30, 40 degrees respectively. The context object has Euler rotation set to 0. Matrix from Euler make 4x4. Bob? Bruce, really? You don't know what the hell happened, but the dog knows what the hell happened, and he's acting like nothing happened. If you don't know what I'm talking about, the dog farted. And when he does, everything smells like shit. Global rotation. Huh. Global. I think I specifically looked that up in the hopes that it helps me, but it doesn't. It does shit for me. Like, here, yeah, frame. Now you do the thing that I want you to do. Are you fucking kidding me? I mean, technically, you still don't do actually the thing that I want you to do, but that doesn't matter. Zero. Zero. Ah, cool. Okay, now with frame. Now that works. Suddenly you work. Like, that's what I mean. Things just break for no reason. And I'm just... Why are you doing this? So, let's actually get a song that I like. I mean, it's not like I didn't like any of the songs before, but I mean, a song that I can listen to, or some music in the background that I can listen to without getting distracted all the time, which is like 90% of music, no matter how much I like it. Which is why I always put this stuff on, because it has vibes, you know? I like the vibes. And it, especially as a cafe god, at a barista, these are vibes that I like. It's a little bit of chill time in there. A little bit of, you know, chilling with a nice cup of black coffee in the night. In a cafe. Having someone playing in the background. Wait. Except for the coffee, that could basically a scene from that could be a scene from Spider Noir. So you're doing this. And what was it? Slap. That's not one. Oh. One moment you work, one moment you don't. Why? What am I doing differently? I'm not doing anything differently. Everything's the fucking same. Shut up. I literally didn't want you to talk. Slash 10. Okay. I think I know why. Oh wait, no, we'll stay. That's the thing that I need to do. Apparently the drivers are colliding and therefore just not doing the thing that I want them to do. Frame 50. So if I now export this, Yo. Okay. Good. So this so far. So you're not doing the thing that I want you to. That's already a big no-no. Why are you, by the way, standing like this anyways? Like, for fuck's sake! Imagine you just wake up and suddenly you're standing here. And by the way, just physically turning to the side because to show how fucking annoying that is. Like, yeah, I'm not even doing anything. This is how it starts every fucking time, and I don't even know why. So the thing doesn't rotate with me for some reason, which is not the thing that I wanted. I want something else. Well, guess I have to try again. I tried to be like, oh yeah, sleeping prince formation, and then going off, and then I didn't even fucking get close. Also, the music is a little too loud. I'm sorry. I really like that vibe. So here, scripting. Post mode toggle. So you only rotate, but you don't do the thing that I want you to do. You don't rotate when you're not on thing, you know? Yeah, you should do that. But where the hell did I export that to? I have to look that up. Program Lander project. You're rotating, but you're not doing the thing that I want you to, you asshole. Playhead. Playback. Oh, wait, do I have to render that first? File. Data previews. External data. Put missing files. Find missing files. Okay, wait, rotating. Blender. Rotating on its own axis. Python. Notation order using Python script. Import BIBP, import math and math utils. Copy. I'm gonna try that out. Scripting.
Aha, now you have mastered the spinny hat trick.
No, I didn't. Believe me. I mean, where do you jump?
Correction, aha, now you have a kived spinny hat trick.
$1,000. The thing is, I know how this works, but I can't exported in a way that VC Face utilizes this, you know? Does that make sense? Purge unused data. Copy. Yeah, let's go back to scripting. Wait, I should put that somewhere else. But yeah, that's kind of a point. I didn't want to have you run immediately. I have to do this. Here, welcome to my... I'm not so unnecessarily proud of this, but if I'm running this, it makes a small list of cities and says where it can be found on the list, the city, and what country it's located in. So first, the city, Los Angeles, can be found in America. City, London, can be found in Britain. City, Leon. It's literally just for me to actually understand how this thing works. Like, for example, is a loop. This means that it's going to print each and every single thing. That it's going to reiterate over something multiple times. And in this case, it iterates for each object in these two lists, cities and countries. And one obviously has the countries in it, and one obviously has the cities in it. Like here, we even have it here. And one of them is just the index number, like the place where it's stationed at, like in the list. Which is like, yeah, city 1 is in Los Angeles and can be found in America. Yeah. Anyways, that's not what I should be focusing on. Oh, Bruce is sleeping. That little bastard. What? New file? New file. I know. No. Brown, I guess. Okay, paste. Good. So, I have to copy all the values from here. For example, how's the name of that object? The name of that object is obviously cylinder. Which it shouldn't, it should be crown, but okay. Can I rename you? I want to rename you. Rename. Halo? Crown Halo. Crown Halo. Yeah. Okay, import BPY. Okay, let's import something else. Import numpy from Met Hotels. Import Euler. Def set log rotation. Value rotation Euler. Mode object name is Crown Halo now. And it's small. Crown Halo. Set location, rotation, access. Let's see if I can make this work. Copy. Delete driver. Scripting. V.
Oh, I forgot to mention I took a Python class last year. I only still remember the scant basics though.
Yeah, I'm currently doing a Python class, like a small one. But I'm not good enough with it yet to actually do anything proper. Like, technically I should be good enough to do something proper, at least a little bit. Like, if you wanna see for a second. Like here. But currently I'm having a small problem. I'm at this stage. Everything works, everything is fine.
Ugh, Blender, get back to Python code slave.
Now I have this fucking problem. It shows me here, an error message. It shows me here an error message, but everything works. Like, everything works. What the fuck are you talking about, error message? I coded this entire shit by myself 2 days ago. I spent the last 2 days, my Python hours, only trying to find out what the fuck the issue is, and I still haven't found the fucking issue. Good if I go in here on help, like here, get a hint.
Error message.
The error message doesn't help. That's the problem. But if I'm here going in here, where other people have a similar fucking problem, all I get are helps, are things that I should technically be able to use for myself. That should fix my problem, but I already used all of this bullshit and none of it worked.
What does the error say?
The error is almost unrelated to this. That's the issue. Like here it says, oh yeah, you should have a for loop that iterates over invalid records. I have a for loop that iterates over invalid errors. Invalid records. It's the same fucking thing that it tells me here. You should print blah, 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 blah. Yeah, it does that shit. It puts everything in the fucking place it's supposed to be. Yeah, you should set is value to true. I did that too. Fuck you. Everything is on point.
What does the error print into the console?
All of this, like the last part.
Runtime error.
That's the thing, everything works. The problem is with how this thing checks the issues. And there is some small, minor bullshit here that has no influence on the code, but has some influence on here. And I don't know what it is. Because it doesn't make sense. Everything works. Stop not working. Please. It pains me so fucking much. Like, the thing what this is supposed to do, like, just to tell you what this is supposed to do. This is supposed to give me an error message if any of the values here don't match up with what I need them to match up with. Like, it's for ages, for example, all have to be integers. Every integer has...
There is no runtime error. It is the site that says that is no valid answer.
Yeah, basically. Like, for example, if I'm saying here, and I'm saying
that
his...
is not at all what you said, XD.
For example,
That's the problem.
his age is now Schnitzel. Let's say his age is now snitching. Fuck you. And now you suddenly fuck me over. I iterated over this bullshit so often. I'm tired. Like, I changed the code to things that have been recommended in the help stuff. And I said error, and I meant error in terms of the website doesn't want me to continue. The website shows me I have an error, but the error is false. There is no error. There is no actual error. Everything fucking works. The only reason it didn't work now is because I rewrote this like 50 times today. And it still didn't work.
Yeah, you didn't say that at all, XD.
I said that. Don't gaslight me now. I said multiple times that it.
You should have said that from the start.
I said that in the beginning. I said in the beginning, yeah, but the site always gives me a fucking error, and I don't know why, because everything works. And everything works. The site gives me an error. Yeah, I know, I didn't mention it. I probably didn't word it that way. I know, I'm just really, really annoyed, because it's the third day I'm spending on fuck fixing this bullshit. Fuck you. Yes, I am very annoyed. I'm sorry. Also, hello, Twitch Dragon. How are you doing, my little Twitch Dragon? I'm so sorry, I couldn't help it.
It gives you an error. Those T distinct between and Python code is wrong, has runtime error, and the solution is wrong problem.
For the website, it's the same. For the website, for the website itself, it's basically the same. As soon as something doesn't add up in the code with what you are supposed to do, it tells you, oh, there is an error.
An error on the site when you have a Python error. Wow, to you.
There's a difference between a console error, like the Python console error, and there's an issue in, yo, you made a mistake. Like, the thing that keeps me from progressing is the website's internal,
yeah, I know.
error looking thing, you know? That's what I mean. And the debugging console itself doesn't give me an error outside of obviously when the code is wrong.
Thinking of a Python error.
Yeah, okay, makes sense when I'm constantly using error as the term, but it is technically an error. It's just not a Python error.
Because you always said you have an error on that site.
I have an error on that site, but it's the site.
Understand it now.
Alright, don't worry. Again, I have an issue of being an idiot sometimes. You know, things like this really fuck you when you try to learn something. Like, yeah, I know this should work, but why doesn't it? They have. Add new. Paste. Radiance 360.
Can you not just hack the site to get trough? ISNT there and exploit.
I don't know, that's the thing. The website has everything.
Script snipped XD.
Like, the website has everything you need to learn Python. Like, I'm not even joking. Like, it has everything you need for learning this stuff. So if this thing doesn't work, I can ask Socrates. Socrates is like the AI bullshit that tells you, yo, something doesn't work. You can ask him 3 times every day. Well, technically, if you are a supporter of the site, because they have to make money somehow, they give you more hints. Obviously, you have to have some benefit if you support them. But generally, you have 3 tries. And if those don't work, you go here and you get a hint and you look at what other people did. And here I am. This is the last step. Step 44. I'm here. This here is apparently the thing that I need to do. This here is the thing that I did do. This thing is the bullshit thing that is supposed to work. Can you follow me so far? Okay, if I'm putting that in here. Yeah.
Ist die Einrücken den Ausrichtung bei dir?
You mean my indentations? Yeah, that is also right. That's one of the first things this thing criticizes. Like, the only things that I have to change here is I have to get this, get rid of this, and I have to get rid of this. And I have to change this to double quotes because this single quote really has to be there. So, yeah, this technically should be the fucking code that I need. So yeah, now I'm checking the code. Yeah, it shows me an invalid error. Yeah, okay. It also apparently doesn't really work at the moment because it didn't show this. But even if I'm using the code of someone who tries to help, your new for loop is intended to be an inner loop that's inside the existing for loop. Yeah, I know that. Like, otherwise the code doesn't work. Like, yeah, I know this is supposed to be where it is. That's why it is where it is.
Let me see the code again.
Again, this is my special this is my error that I put in for the sake of this being an error. Because we have here 2 dictionaries. Here's the dictionary, medical records.
What did you say you need a nested loop?
And then we have here def find
single nested loop.
This is a nested loop.
That's the problem.
I don't need a nested loop in the loop. The loop itself is already nested.
So fast, so I can't really see all.
The loop only needs to be nested in my variable. Like, that's the only place where it needs to be. If I'm pushing this one further, it already doesn't... Huh? I hate you. I fucking hate you. I fucking hate you. I did this today 3 times! But yeah, it's supposed to show me this. Unexpected format, H schnitzel at position 0. Because, yeah, it's first position. What was it? H34, actually? Yeah, I think it was H34. See, even if I fix everything...
Now it is a nested loop.
But see, even then it doesn't work. You should print unexpected format, key, val, option. Yep. I have that. Here. But the thing, I even have that. It's everything here. Like, everything this thing tells me is here. Here it has unexpected format. Key. It has everything here. And even if I change this to val, because that is just a fucking thing that I can do, technically speaking.
I can't really say anything to the logic. Wasn't he able to read all until now?
Like, see, that should also just work. Let's call you a P-mail this time. On email, I don't give a damn. Now you
Just
suddenly
tell
don't
you
want.
that until now you didn't have a nested loop, but always talked about one.
The thing is, I did this the entire day. But you see, even now, even when I'm having this, even if it's...
If that is the right nested loop for that, I don't know.
Like, see, now, nothing, no, Yeah, fuck you, it doesn't work. But see, that's what I mean, it doesn't fucking work. Even if I... So I don't know why that wasn't... It was the entire... Huh? I could have sworn it was the entire time in here, because this... I remember this is supposed to be the loop that it works in here. Here, it works with the enumerate data type. That's why I can just call out the different the positions here. Apparently, I at some point, just out of frustration, just deleted that, and then, yeah, that might be... But it still doesn't work. I give up. I'm gonna make a post tomorrow about, yeah, this doesn't work, it doesn't want to work. I looked at literally every fucking thing I could find, and it doesn't do the thing that I need to do.
I am confused about the order you did the task.
What do you mean? I'm still just trying to
Task in. The loop down there printing unexpected XXX is the first thing the task mentioned you should do. So I am confused that it is so far down there. But as I said, never were able to read all. So perhaps it has its reason.
Wait a second. Frame. Um. 75? No.
Now I kind of want to try solving it XD.
Wanna sit together after stream if, for solving this? I think I'm going to go insane otherwise.
I have to go to sleep soon.
No!
Should be in bed already.
No. How could I don't believe. Well, if you have to go to bed, I'm not gonna
You
go.
can send me the code and task. And I will look at it tomorrow.
Nah, don't worry about it. I'm just gonna. Wait, without anything, it just rotates, right?
Or I can look at it tomorrow evening with you.
That would make me a bit more happy, yeah.
Dom really have to go to sleep now, have to drive very long tomorrow morning.
Oh. But then you should be, well, what? You tool, texture, material, data, constraints, particle, modified
ELRC, you
object.
little Twitch dragon. Little Twitch dragon, but if we do that, please send me the code. There is nothing more exhausting than trying to read code while someone is frantically scrolling up and down in it XD.
Don't worry about it. I'm gonna set this to when we look over it.
Was a off.
Mr. Yad, how you doing? Thanks for joining in.
Good, looking forward to it. Wow, so many chatters now.
Yeah, so incredibly unusual for my absolute non-existent. What's the word?
Good nighty.
For my non-existent fame. And good night, Twitch Dragon. I hope you have a wonderful time trying to fall asleep. And hope you had a wonderful time being here, because I am always delighted to have you here. $525. Can I make you just generally, you know, turn without having any of these restraints here? Because I have no idea why that... I don't know what to put in there. Cookies. Everything is better with cookies. Of course it doesn't work. Playback King. Cycle aware keying for channels with cycling extrapolation keyframe insertion. Insert the cycle time range and keeps ends in sync. Curves newly added to actions with a manual. Oh, damn. Nice. Also means I can just, you know, delete the driver and do this the normal way, and then can try to do this. What? So, because I'm weird, I'm gonna make a number, time for that is dividable by 3. I mean, technically, if we just go with a minute, should I have it take a minute for one entire rotation, or 2 minutes for one entire rotation? I think I'm gonna go with 1 minute for 2 minutes one entire rotation. Good. So we hit keying 0. Cycle aware keying. Insert keyframe with key setting. Oh my god. Rotation. Okay, but I'm gonna turn you. Can I put you on 60? Gonna say 180. Good. Add another keyframe. Into keyframe, key set, rotation. I'm gonna move you here. Also, how was your day, Mr. Jed? Mr. Jed? How'd it going? How was it? Was your day delightful? Now this is when 90 degrees. 90. Insert keyframe, insert keyframe key set. 90. So 180 plus 90. Now let's calculate that one at a time, okay? That's gonna be for a 7 here. And because it's gonna be another, it's gonna 278. Of course it's only 270. What else is it supposed to be? Insert keyframe. Key said rotation. Interpolation mode. Linear. So quadratic, cubic, quartic, quadratic. Easing. It's not supposed to ease anything. It's just supposed to rotate. Automatic easing, constant, linear, why are you still doing this? I'm the only one who notices this. Damn, boy. You're annoying as hell. No, handle type. Clamped. Auto keying. I said you cycle aware keying. Why is this shit not doing the way I want it to? Aligned. Nah, not doing the thing that I want. Easing mode. Hit Control E. I would like to get rid of Control E. Like, why is there even an easing mode? Okay, what the hell did I do again? Every time I think I figure this thing out. Frame dropping, scrubbing. Type aligned. Free. E. I don't want an easing. Why is that even a fucking option? You're not supposed to change your speed. You're supposed to be constant all the fucking time. Like here, linear, for fuck's sake. It still does it. I'm crazy, am I? Up and miss and B. Dynamic effect. Handle type, keyframe type, moving hold, extreme jitter, keyframe. Well, let's see what we do here. Place. Frame second delta now. Just markers frames. Okay. What else can we do in order to actually make this fucking bullshit work? I mean, again, the easiest option is literally just doing that frame and like hashtag frame whatever thing in, but why? But why? Yeah, I'm gonna delete those. That's not even all of them that I want to delete. This is not even the ones that I want to delete. That's the thing that I meant. You know what? Let's just do that. Hashtag frame times divided by 10. To be fair, Wait, nah. Frame 100. This would actually be such a good rotation speed. But how do I make you do that after I rendered you? If I'm gonna go and wait. How far can I go back? That's a very good question. And I can't go any farther back, can I? No, I can't. Cool. Delete keyframes. Oh my god, no. And how do I do this? Okay, Blender. Oop. Without it. Let's see if I can find something that is useful. In the cycles modifier settings, choose repeat motion. Okay, let's just do frame and then say 75 because I think that was a very, very good speed. Great. 118. 4 2 6 4. Huh, wasn't that far off. 4 7 2 4 7 2. Okay, let's see. There it is. It jitters a little bit. Come on, go back to 0. That's not interesting to me if that actually, looks smoother. Okay, for what? Didn't even notice. I mean, it did, but I didn't notice the moment it happened. Oh no, that looks very, very smooth. Oh damn! Oh damn! Oh damn! Export. Okay, apparently I have to export as VRM animation? Well, let's just do an okay. Okay, export prerequisite. Amateur to be exported. Yeah. Okay, okay. What do you mean I have to set the VRM version to 1.0? I don't even know what kind of VRM version that is. I mean, I probably should, let's be honest. Huh. How do I change this though? Ah, okay. Where? VRM, okay, here, VRM. VRMT pose. Write assignment. Whoa, I didn't even know there was so much shit in here. Oh, I have to look into that so much more. This is gonna be so fun. It's also going to be incredibly frustrating, so maybe not. Blah. Okay, go to layout. How do I do this? Because this is all in Japanese. I have no fucking idea. I had to look through everything. Market asset ID data. Okay. I just want to have some options, you know. Check VRM model. Non-triangular faces detect on crown hail. They will triangulate it automatically. Okay. Meta. So where is that supposed to be written? Okay, they were part of the song. I was so wondering. There was some kind of random ass sound in the background, but I have no fucking idea how to. Ah, there it is. Okay, let's see if that worked. Oh, please just work. Don't make this unnecessarily difficult for me again. So add. Yeah, those are all just versions of me, I know, but this is kind of interesting because I can't throw stuff away. I'm a little bit annoying that way. VSFA avatar format? Huh? So you don't want me to use the thing that I... Wait. No, I don't want you to work with recommended settings. Every time they work with recommended settings, I'm not working at all. So do I really have to write a Python script for this? Well, I got homework to do. That is for sure. That is very for sure. Anyways. You know what? Let's end it here. That's what I said. Anyways. I hope you had fun. I did have an unnecessary amount of fun, despite the fact how incredibly fucking frustrated I am. But,